Viewer discretion is advised.
It's always the niggas. Niggas love entertaining.
Y'all niggas rode together, didn't y'all? Everybody video on this stupid ass. Had to hear the story behind it.
Look at my African American friend. Are you the greatest?
Y'all Satan infected right now.
Hi, Mom.
Hi, Mom.
I'm behaving.
It's hard, but we doing the thing, man.
You said, Mama.
Yeah, don't do that.
Hey, fuck that.
Hey.
$20. Yeah, do that shit.
Hey,
Do that shit. Hey, but you gotta jump a car.
Yeah,
You don't jump a car, you ain't getting 20. On my mama, I'll give you 20 right now. On my mama, you jump over it, bro.
Hey, jump a whip. Hey, do the. Hey,
I will give you $20. $20.
All you gotta
to hop a
do is the Tom Cruise slide, bro.
Hold on, 12.
hold up. Shh.
Hey, fuck the police.
$20.
Quiero sasacote madre. Quiero sasacote madre. I can't dance, bro. What you doing, bro?
Somebody girlfriend, bro, was like,
You look so great in orange. Orange looks great in you. You should wear it more. My nigga was like, what are you like pulling her? She was like, no, he needs to know.
He needs
You should
to
wear
know.
more orange. You look great. Chingong. So she chingong. See your face.
She just saw the shirt.
I knew
You
it
saw
like,
him on the shirt and was like, got it. All right, bro, this 20 finna go back in my pocket. I'm not sliding my black ass. Who said slide? He did. He ain't got 20 in his hand. I wanna see you play Subway Surfing. I'm gonna jump over the lady. I can't. What the fuck
Hey, they're talking shit about Mexicans and blacks. Fuck them.
Say y'all bitch ass shit. Say y'all bitch ass.
It's the truth. Y'all are being racist. Those bitches are being racist. Fuck them. Fuck them bitches racist.
I'll box your whole ass. You don't want it. 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 I'll box your ass. I just don't know what the fuck is happening.
Yeah, and they being stupid because they kicked over my sign. I go, come on, guys, is that really fucking necessary?
Oh, they kicked it over.
Yeah, and then the chicks were like, fuck you, you dirty Mexican. Fuck all y'all. And hell no.
Oh no.
And then she was like, fuck y'all dirty Mexicans, and look at all these niggas here.
finna pop off.
Oh yeah, nah.
Talking about blacks and Mexicans and all y'all dirty pieces of shit, and that's why I'm like, fuck you, racist bitch, fuck you. I go, and the dudes you're with, if they got a problem, fuck you.
Oh yeah. Say
But
less.
you know what's funny? They kept walking.
Right.
I stood my ground.
Nah, fast. They didn't want to smoke,
All
man.
that shit.
You did what you were supposed to do.
You about to, boy, look.
And they're like running their mouths. I'm like, get the fuck off my property. We run this shit.
Right.
Oh my God, man.
Hey,
Another night on the strip, right?
hey, look.
I just realized, bro. It is March 1st. Black History Month is just ended. Racism broke up. Broke the fuck out. Everybody was holding their tongues till midnight, bro. I see it, bro. It's like, this shit is just going forward problems. They were holding it, bro. Racism bladder just burst it.
Bro, and you ain't got an extra year because it was leap year.
Oh. Eat it all day today. They were like, "We're supposed to be today."
Bro, it was a whole extra 24 hours, bro. They were pissed, bro.
Face is red. Everybody
Oh my God.
You know the guy Subway Surfing? Yeah. All right. I bet my partner $20 that he won't punch me right now in the street.
Hell no.
Jump over the car right now.
which one?
They're in the red.
You're in the red hat. Hey, we got an audience now. Hey, we got an audience now. You gotta do it. You can jump this.
Can I jump over your car? $40 you jump over.
I'm adding that 20 is $60. It's $60.
Don't worry about it. Okay.
Bro, you got sponsors.
I can go over the hood.
Bro, you just gotta jump over the hood. You can run away. Bro.
So as long as I slide over the hood,
And
it don't matter.
it don't matter.
40, 50, 20. This one on
Look.
$10.
Oh! Bruh. Oh my God. 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 Go. Yo.
I ever seen in my life.
Yo. Oh my. What's your cash app, bro?
What's your cash app?
Hey, what's the cash app? What's your cash app? We got that shit.
What's
40
the-
bucks on that shit. Hey, come here. Hey, you got cash app? Hey,
What's the cash app, man?
what's your cash app? Hey, that's real Subway shit.
What's your cash app, man?
I don't have cash out.
You don't got cash app?
That's all. I got PayPal.
I ain't got PayPal. I only got cash app. I ain't got no paper money. I'm from Atlanta. All we got is PayPal. I mean, all we got is cash
I
app.
got PayPal.
Bro, that was the most gangster thing I've ever seen in my life.
Hey, you known in the South
He got
Side.
fucking
Bro,
Tupac on his shirt. He
you're,
gotta do that shit.
bro, you're a gangster, bro, you're a gangster, bro. I ain't never seen that in my life, bro.
I just want to know, hey, can I get an autograph, Quavo?
Oh my God,
There's no way.
bro.
It ain't no way.
There's
that
too
just
much
happened,
film that we have,
Already fucked up. Stop playing with
bro. We got
bro.
too
Hey,
much
this the best
film.
one. This the best
This
one.
the best one,
This
man.
the best one.
This the best trip, hands down.